This is decent. This is good. Yes. We're gonna. Oh, I love it. What do we got? What do we got? What is this? That was the ticket. Oh, there it is. There he is. Yes. Yep. Is it? Hey, buddy. All right, guys, welcome back. Just getting back from a fishing trip. We headed out of New Smyrna. We shot out of Ponce Inlet and went about 11 miles out offshore, and it was absolutely insane. It was about a 2 hour. We were out there for 2 hours. It was crazy intense right off the get-go, and we absolutely slayed the fish. Check this out. Lane. Another lane. Nice lane. Another one. Another lane. A couple more lanes. Oh man, I'm running out of room here. More lanes. Oof. Another good sized lane here. Nice sheepshead. Another nice sheepshead. Giant 19-inch mangrove. And last but not least, big old black sea bass. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. We're gonna go through, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you what bait we used to get all this action. I caught, I think there's 13 here, 13 of these fish. My buddy Chris, he was using his regular like a fish finder rig, and was having no luck, no action whatsoever. And the little jig, the little bait that I was using, caught all these fish. So stick around and stay tuned, and I'll show you what that was at the end of the video. All right, back at it. Afternoon trip. It is, what is it, 11 o'clock? Late start today. We're gonna see if we can make a shootout to offshore once again, probably to that same reef we had good luck at last weekend. Where we got, what did we get? 17 keeper lanes and one really nice mangrove snapper, like an 18-inch mangrove snapper. So that's the plan. Shoot out out of Ponce Inlet and hit some of those public reefs today. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, and we're gonna be rocking the Super Sneaky Squid Rig once again. That thing. Say that 3 times fast. Yeah, say that 3 times fast. That thing did the trick. So we will be deploying that today as well. So a little secret offshore reef bait. So don't tell anybody. All right, here we go. just getting out to the spot. We're able to rip out here at like 30 miles an hour. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous out here. Pretty calm. The 22-foot bay boat handled it. Silky smooth ride. So we're gonna see if we can get on the spot, drop down, and get into them here. Right, here we go. Chris has dropped down, and I'm about to. We're not messing around today. We're going super sneaky squid right off the get-go. We got some good live shrimp action. Woo. You already got robbed? Huh? Chris is already getting hit. Oh, I'll have to show him how to do it here quick. Oh, it's beautiful out. God. Got one? Oh, well, that didn't take long.
I'm gonna downsize this.
I got 30 on, 30-pound leader.
Yeah.
I think there's braids, I think 60, 65 on the braid ski. What do we look? Oh man, she is loaded up down there. This is decent.
Nice.
This is good. Yes.
Yeah, boy, you want the net.
We're gonna. Oh, I love it. What do we got? What do we got? What is this?
Oh, get him up. It's a margate fish.
Well, that'll eat.
You can eat those.
Yeah, these are supposed to be really good. Awesome, dude.
Stripe on it? Ooh, I don't know what that is. I think it's a margate. Wow, I don't know what that is. I'm not sure.
Is it a ouch? Is it a type of group? Is it a type of grouper?
No, I don't know what it is, dude. You have to look it up.
Well, how am I gonna do that?
I don't know.
What do I look up?
I thought it was a margate. It might be a margate. These are really pretty.
You crushed it on the way down, it seemed like. Well, what is this fish?
Cool. I think it's a margate. I'd toss them back.
Look at the blues in it.
Oh, beautiful fish, dude. Yeah, that's not a margate. Some kind of weird. You know, is that a sea bass?
Well, I don't know. I'll throw it.
I think it's a big ass sea bass. I'm not sure.
I'll throw it in here and then we'll look.
For some reason, I think it's a big sea bass, dude, and they only have to be like 10 inches. Look on your little picture up there, you'll see them. Sea bass on a special wiki rig. That's a sea bass, dude.
Oh, it is.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Which is a huge ass sea bass.
Right?
Black, yeah, a huge one.
Atlantic 13.
Yep. Oh, dude, that's fucking. They don't get bigger than dude. Look at you.
That's how.
That's delicious.
That's the way you do it, buddy.
Dude. Yeah, look at you. That's the biggest sea bass I've ever seen in my life. Really, it is. With your little special jig.
Well, yeah, man. That's what that's made for.
Nice, bro. Dude, that's fucking awesome. Bro.
He crushed it too.
Put them on ice, though. Oh, I'll put them in there with those jets.
Okay, yeah.
Dude, if we can load up on sea bass, dude, we'll be eating good. Right?
That's awesome.
That's what it's showing it is?
Yeah.
Dude,
What?
That's a big one. That's fucking as big as they get. They don't get much bigger. I don't load up on those. I'll keep it. Wow.
I need to market these little squid rigs, man.
I've only seen them like this big.
Yeah. I think that's what you catch her on the jetty lot too, right? Those little doinker ones.
Yeah, but they're in the ocean. I'll look at your magazine.
Oh, it's loaded down there, dude.
Dude, if we could catch 20 of those, that's better than any fish out here. Sea bass is like probably
Getting hit. Come on. Oh yeah.
Dude, your jig is working, dude. You making a jig?
I got some more. All right. Well, we got some.
Dude, what a beautiful sea bass, dude.
Got some live bait at least.
Wow. Can I have half of that?
Half of what?
Sea bass.
Oh, okay.
Dude, that's so cool. I've caught like
Come on.
12 inches one, but that one's almost 16 inches.
That's your big boy.
Come on, give me one. That thing caught good too, huh?
Yeah, it did. I'm telling you, man, that rig is like freaking money. This thing's two. The squid rig's 2 for 2, my man.
No, that's awesome.
Unless.
Dude, I cannot believe the size of that sea bass, bro. I'm stoked. You need about 10 of
Right
those.
there.
10 of those.
Squid rig.
Squid rig.
Extra sneaky. This is version 2.0.
First fish drop fucking.
Slobbed sea bass.
Listen to him.
How's that bottom still looking?
It's so delicious.
Lights out?
It's kind of just, it's got something on it. I like that second ago.
Someone's chewing already. Come on. Yeah. Got you better than that. Come on, little doinkers.
Little nibbles. Oh, I see our weight.
Come on. Dude, come on.
They really have to be 13 inches, it said?
Yeah.
Oh, he's way over. They used to only have to be 10 inches. Oh yeah, there he is.
I honestly think my shrimp was gone.
Oh, little lane.
Laner. Oh, look at my tentacles are toast. That's funny.
You need some different rubber.
That's okay. I might have to do some different material, different design for the tentacles. Has a little bit better longevity. You just let me know when you're wanting a squid rig. Whew.
Oh yeah, I want to see that. Look, we're coming on to some stuff down here now. A bunch of shit.
Hey, don't be hitting that. You know what happens.
Yeah, boy.
4 for 4 on the drops. Doesn't feel big.
Another lane.
I think it's the same exact one. This guy must be hungry. Oh, where's the pliers? Dude, I'm getting my shrimp back. Haha! Look at that. Got my shrimp back. Ah! Here we go. That looks decent, huh?
That's something, feels a little, something like a lane maybe? No, stupid old grunt. There's mouth open. Stupid old grunt.
Did you? I got mine back.
You got a piece of it back, maybe. Piece. Let's try a piece.
Look at him, he's staying up top.
Man, fucking dream sea bass.
Oh, you know what? We should put that grunt on and set him down.
Oh yeah. Grunt.
Oh, got off. That would have been 5 for 5. Not so lucky. Oh shit. Oh, that's annoying. I'm getting that shrimp back. Ah, dang it.
I'm happy to jump out.
Yes, it got off. It got off.
I'm going down there right now too. I caught an amberjack the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, a little one.
We need to get a big live bait down there.
You have one alive?
Well, I kept the grunt.
Oh, did you? I'll put one down there in a second. That's a big one.
Off that back corner or something.
Use this one real quick. There he is. There's a fish. Little muscular?
Oh, it's better.
Oh, that's a sea bass.
I hope so.
Come on, baby. That rig's killing him. Be a sea bass. Be a sea bass. Nice land snapper.
Nice.
Nice land snapper. That's what we want. Look at you, boy.
There we go.
Look at
Oh, he's
that.
peeing.
Pissing on
He's
you.
peeing.
Dude,
In there.
look at you on fire. Fuck yeah.
That is a
Sorry, to put on camera.
fatty.
Your jig is working, dude. You gotta patent that thing.
Oh, shoot.
Nice fish.
Well, come on. What is going on here? This... No. His lip is apparently stronger than the...
Look at that fish, dog.
There we go.
Another one on the jig.
No pain, no lane. Check it out. We'll have to coin that.
That's the biggest one you've caught so far. Lane.
Shit.
Baby, you caught the other day. Making me catch all the big ones.
Yeah, I know.
Now you're on fire. Jig's working. Even though he's got no legs. They like that white. See at the bottom?
New hook. Need a new hook. This has been nuts.
Sea bass. 8-pound sea bass.
Yeah, that was a little bit bigger of a shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, you know, I think what kind of helps, Jan,
Oh yeah. Sitting on the bottom.
is I almost think it gives the appearance that like something's eating the shrimp or chasing the shrimp, and it gets them gets them a little excited, and then they can't not bite it. You on? Little guy?
I don't know if it's a fucking stupid drink. Nope.
Laner?
Oh, vermilion, even better.
There you go.
I think they only have to be 8. He might be a little small.
Where am I at here?
Huh?
Line bottom?
Yo, if we catch some of these, dude.
This will be another decent one. This is nuts, dude.
Nice, dude. Oh, there's a lane.
Shoo-wee. That'll be delicious.
Yeah. This is 10 inches. What do they say, vermilion?
I'll have to look at my other thing.
Yeah, throw them in there, dude. Nice. I think they don't have to be 8.
Yeah, I don't have one on there. Oh, unless it's down here. Is it over there?
Vermilion, 10 inches.
Oh, they're 10?
Mm-hmm. Atlantic 12, nope. He's only 11. Oh well. Hopefully there'll be another one down there.
Whew, getting a workout today already.
There's a shrimp in here.
Huh?
There's a shrimp in here.
A live one? What?
No.
Did he spit it out?
Look at that sea bass, bro. I'm jealous, actually. Well, look at that. Look at all the different types of fish we already caught. Great. Vermilion. Deal with 3 keeper fish already.
Oh no, I missed. That doesn't, that's not supposed to happen. Come on, come back. Come back. Oh. I don't have a shrimp on here right now. We'll see if we get one. Oh. I don't want to reel up all the way empty-handed, you know? Something just bam crushes it as it's ripping up. That'd be sweet. Down she goes.
Oh yeah, that's a fish. Nice, dude.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, get him in. Sheepshead, nice one. Look at you, magic jig. Shit, dude.
There we go, man. Take that. Whew. Man, he wasn't getting off.
All we need to do is tip a jig and we're good. Well, it's got to be your magic jig.
Look at those teeth. Oh, come on. There we go. What's this guy? 14. 14 incher. All right. You ready? You ready to convert over? Okay. All right. I was just gonna bust one out of my secret stash, but
God damn it!
What?
I fucking hooked myself again. Fuck! I need help. Fuck!
Oh no, dude.
Hold it right there. Open it. Hold on. Put that down. Okay. Come on.
You out?
I don't know what I keep doing.
Quit hooking yourself, dude.
Oh.
Jesus. Well, yeah, it didn't look like it felt good. That's for sure. All right, shrimp. Back down we go. See what we can get. Yeah, version 2.0 is definitely panning off on the squid rig here today. No doubt about it. Oh yeah, oh, nice. Feels decent.
Oh yeah, another lane.
Another laney. What are these? Got to be 8? 10-incher. Come on, man. I'm getting tired out over here.
We caught so many different species already. Crazy. Good bite. They're wrong today.
Yeah, they were wrong. Yeah, today was supposed to be a bad.
Good species right there.
See what else we can find down here. I'd love to get like a big amberjack or something like that. I've never caught one of those. Or a or almaco. Those are supposed to be really good.
Dive her down.
I'm not too picky. I won't. They're I would say more aggressive today than the other day. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Come on back. Still there? Yeah, I'd imagine. All right, let's see what we can get into here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Fire. Oh, that taught him everything he knows. Oh, nice. Keep it.
I wouldn't go that far.
Dude, you're catching them all today on the jig. Are you even putting shrimp on that thing?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna stand next to the cooler?
Well, I don't want to get too far away.
I know, right?
Well, they're not biting all that good, you know. You better not tell your buddies about this lure.
Critter getter. The critter getter.
You got a big old grunt daddy down there? Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Well man, so far so good. Glad we decided to come out here.
Dude, I can't believe that sea bass. I cannot believe it, dude. That is catching like that big. It's pretty cool.
Huh. Why am I not getting a bite? Oh, here we go. Oh, shoot. That sucks. Oh man, that really sucks. I wasn't getting any bites or nothing for a bit, and then I kind of thought my shrimp might have came off. And I wasn't paying attention. I just got absolutely crushed. And then I missed. Probably a giant lane. I'll get him on this drop. He's still down there. Is he already on there?
Oh yeah, that's a fish. Nice, dude. There we
See,
go.
I knew
There we go.
you like the
Dude.
taste. Is that a trigger?
Sheepshead, dude.
Or sheep? Oh, nice.
Nice, bro. Look at that one. Spit his guts out. Ugh. That's gross.
He's puking.
You're crushing it today, dude.
Huh?
You're crushing it. The jig is working. Camouflage weight.
Oh, that is gross.
Oh, he's a keeper.
Another sheep going in the box. I think it, I don't know. Oh, the trolling motor's just kind of getting goofy. Ooh, this one feels decent. Big lane, decent lane. Oh yeah. I think that was on a shrimp, yeah, shrimpless. I think they had my shrimp picked off. Another laner. We're filling up in here, buddy.
There you are, all you. I haven't put one in there.
Well, you need to start earning your keep around here.
I'm gonna have to get one of your
My man.
little jigs.
Let me know when you're ready. I got some other ones made up. But if you don't want to use one, that's fine. Well, they don't see the sinker. They're like, oh shoot, this is good. There's no sinker here. We're golden.
Good shit now again. Very bright.
That's what I like to hear. Oh, no. Come back for it.
I'll just keep the sea bass.
Grunt. Well, that's not what we want. Do we have any more of these in the box for bait?
No.
All right, I'll throw this in there for now. Hopefully we get that big old mangrove. That was the ticket.
Get the ticket, dude. Get the ticket. Nice lane again. You like the mullet?
They wanted the mullet chunks. That's all it was. I'll take that back.
Mullet tip.
I will take that back since it works so good. Woo. We're back in action, buddy. And when I say we, I mean me.
You're gonna get your 10 limit soon.
I know, I'm gonna have to quit soon. Maybe just catch a little suntan.
Catch another. Catch another. Oh yeah.
When are you gonna switch over? I don't understand it. Huh? Okay. Oh. Snag this guy.
Ooh, what is this? Smell it?
I do.
Gotta be coming from that way. Oh yeah. Take it.
No, I'm just curious because there's a high mark again. Zipping around a little bit. I'd like to find out what he is. Come on. Oh, there it is.
There he is. Nice, dude.
There he is. Yes. Yep.
No big old mangrove.
Is it?
Big old mangrove.
Hey, buddy.
What the freak show,
That's what we're talking about.
Oh my god.
Woo!
That's as big as the last one.
Yeah. Told you there were some high dogs floating around.
I'm gonna have to get your little jig out.
Dude, throw one on.
Does it have leader on it already?
No, you just tie it. Oh, you want a white one or you want a...
You're gonna have to keep catching all the fish. I'm gonna have to do a secret jig.
There's that one or this white one. I don't care.
I don't know. Since that seems to be on fire.
All right, Chris just switched over to the secret weapon, so he's actually gonna catch some fish now. We had a...
After I see that fish, I'm like, yeah.
Had a couple high marks floating through, about 10 foot off the bottom. Ooh, what? So we reeled up to about 10 foot off the bottom, and sure enough, I need to fix this hook. Yeah, that's like whatever the... That's a yum. That's like some yum juice. Whatever they put on their thing. All right.
Man, what a hot dog that was.
Another high mark. I got another mangrove floating around up there. He just saw his buddy get a snack, so he's gonna want one.
Oh, never mind. There he is. Nice.
He's a good one.
That's a good one.
Finally. Man.
Nice. Blue paid off.
Here we go, baby, back on the board. After a long hiatus here. A little bit different color, Super Sneaky Rig. One more for the box. You got. Pull a big one up, dude.
drums coming here,
This is
bro.
decent.
Nice.
This
dude.
is decent.
Nice, bro. Yo, one for the keeper. No. Smallest
That's
one.
ridiculous.
You're like, this is the keeper.
I thought for
That
sure.
Mouth, dude, they opened the mouth up, bro. Alright, I'm gonna call it.
All right, I'm doing one more drop.
Ow, do a little drift.
Man.
They open their mouths up, dude, and you think they're big.
Well, and it's been a while. I forgot what it feels like. Yes, chuck them. They're getting all soggy.
Man, look at you, dog. Beautiful box, dude. Can't wait to see that. See that. Those are pretty things.
I've never ate sea bass. I've never had sea bass. Feels good, but I'm not gonna say it's. I'm not gonna say nothing. Now, another grunt. All right. Well, I think that's the last one for the trip.
Sometimes you gotta call it.
Oh man, I gotta send one more back down. It looks really good right now.
Or did it look good now? Turn back to popping.
She be popping.
Get that final big fish, man.
See it?
That live shrimp is the way to do it. But you get 'em
Look at all that.
I know.
One more giant mangrove. I mean, that's not too much to ask for.
Yeah, okay. Fucking trophy fish. One more trophy for me.
Hey, I need that. I gotta cope with my frickin'
Yeah.
trolling motor taking the cord frickin' ripping off again.
Oh, fuck, you got him. Nice.
Oh, I don't know. It feels. Oh, here we go. Here.
Yeah, that-
Oh no!
Fuck.
Ah.
Anchored?
Yes.
Fuck.
What was that, man?
Something might have took it, maybe?
It almost
Felt like
seemed like it because it got
It
like
just- it might-
super
oh, dude, look at it
frantically.
now. We're over good shit. Dude, that was crazy. It like took off again.
It got like
Super excited.
yeah, and it was not he was right there too, like a second away from being able to see it, I think. Dang it. That's fishing, yeah.
That was definitely a nice something bite.
Or a grunt. All right, there is the haul for today. So the Sneaky Squid Rig caught all of those fish. One of which my man Chris pulled in. So good job, Chris.
Woo! That one.
Woo!
Maybe. Man, look at that.
Couple nice sheepshead, bunch of nice lanes, giant sea bass, and the 19-inch mangrove. All right, well, that is it. Awesome day once again. Geez, we got out here and just was on fire with that little jig with the little squid on there that I made up. That thing works phenomenal.
Now we gotta figure out which way to go.
Yeah, now we gotta figure out how to get back because it's pure fog out here. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might go ahead and put a link in the description as far as the what exactly I'm using for that jig. I changed it from the first time I was out. I modified it a little bit. So, but anyways, it works good. Works very good. Chris almost just fell off. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Why would you park there? All right, so one of the problems that I've had, or not a problem, but just a struggle to figure out what to do with all of my fish carcasses that I've been accumulating, is garden boxes. So check this out. We're gonna bury all these fish, and already buried a bunch.
Look at all that.
So those are gonna go into there and be phenomenal fertilizer. And I got some veggies and stuff that we're gonna put in there. So later on, when I have fish tacos, I'll have tomatoes and peppers and things like that that were also made by the fish. So nothing's going to waste here. We're gonna build the Super Sneaky Squid Rig. So got some weights, swivels attached, just like that. Couple, these are either 1/0 or 2/0 circles, like that. So I'm just gonna press this weight onto here, which it is a very tight squeeze. Just like that. And this is how easy this is. Check this out. And this just slays. Absolutely slays them offshore. I don't know why I'm telling people this. Maybe people do this already, but... And that's it. You tip your bait on there, shrimp, whatever, and rock and roll. That's it. And then when you're ready to use it, you can just push through here. Just push through and you get to your eyelet to tie onto, and you're ready to rock and roll. So, give it a try. It works lights out.